Hello friends, this is special mud pot chicken biryani. Biryani is famous in South India. If you see, this is Chennai style Dum Biriyani. This biryani is prepared in a clay pot. Uh, the ingredients are here like onion, tomato, mint leaf, green chili, coriander leaf, and you have the basmati rice. Here we have taken 1 kilo basmati rice and 1 kilo chicken for this chicken biryani, and I will let you know the process of the preparation of chicken biryani. We'll flame the stove and have the clay pot on it, and for this we'll be requiring 200 ml of rice bran oil. All these spices needs to be put in the oil, and once you put those in the oil, after some time you need to add the chopped onion into it, and please try to fry the onion till it comes golden brown color. Till that time you need to slowly fry the onions, and by the side you should keep ready the ginger and garlic paste. The ginger, for this 1 kilo chicken biryani you should take 100 gram ginger and 50 grams of garlic, and you should take 400 grams of onion here and 200 ml oil, which I already told you earlier. Now you can see these onions are in real golden brown color. Once this is done, you need to add the mint leaves and coriander leaves into it, and just fry it for just 2 to 3 seconds, and you will just feel that smell is coming out from it. Now just after 2 or 3 seconds, you need to add 4 to 5 green chilies, and just fry it for another 2 to 3 seconds. And once this is done, you need to add 2 tablespoons of Kashmir red chili powder into it, and just fry it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then you need to add the ginger and garlic paste into it, and just fry it for 3 to 4 seconds, and just now fry it for 4 to 5 seconds. Then you can add 200 ml of curd into it, and just fry it for 4 to 5 seconds. And once the curd is dissolved, you need to add 2 tablespoons of salt into it, and just fry it for 3 to 4 seconds. And now you can see how the masala, the spices are turning into golden and red color. Now you can add 400 gram tomatoes into it, and just fry it for 4 to 5 seconds. And now it's the time to boil the rice. So in a pot you can just pour 3 liter of water, and once the water is heat, you have to just check it out, and in the water you need to add 2 tablespoons of salt. And by this side, if you see, the masala is really spicy, and now you can add 800 ml of water into it, and just mix it well. And now we can just close this with a lid of for 10 to 15 minutes, and just leave it as it is with the medium flame. So now this is getting boiled for 10 to 15 minutes, and now you can see I have just kept for 1 kilo of chicken, which is duly washed and properly cleaned. And after 10 to 15 minutes we have to just check the so once the 10 and 15 minutes you have boiled the masala, so this will be the time that you need to add chicken into it, and just keep with the slow flame for just 5 minutes, and let it boil. On the other side, you will have the water is getting boiled for the rice, and you need to add 2 tablespoons of salt into it, and mix it properly, and keep it ready for. Now it's the time that we are just putting the chicken into the masala, and now we will be keeping with a slow flame for 5 minutes to boil the chicken. Now see how it's boiling, and the masalas are also getting mixed with the chicken piece. Looks fabulous. Now the rice, you see the water is getting fully boiled, and just we are putting the rice into the water, and you see it. And this rice needs to be boiled only just for 2 to 3 minutes, and not more than that. You see, in this situation, after 2 to 3 minutes, you need to take out the rice, and just take out all the water and make it proper dry to the rice, and keep aside. This is egg. This is a separate preparation for the side dish, so I'll just let you know this preparation later. So now coming to the biryanis. So see, this chicken is really 10% is boiled, and the rest of the 80% to 90% will be getting boiled in the when we'll be putting the dum. The dum is called that. We'll be keeping a pressure on it and keeping aside for just 20 minutes. Now see, in the pot I am just adding rice into it. So all the rice are getting into the pot, and so you need to make the rice and the chicken are in a level, and just put water to the level. Don't put less, or don't put high water. Just exactly the measurement, exactly the level where the chicken and rice you can see here. So this is the level you need to fill the water, and just keep it. Now I am just adding one cloth and putting a dum, just adding a plate on it. This is a separate preparation. I'll tell you later for the side dish. Now you see, I have just put one dum here. So after 20 minutes, the biryanis are ready, and I am just taking it out from the stove. Now you see, I am just opening it, and how the fabulous and golden brown color biryani is ready to eat. Now you can just see it, how the rice is not broken, and the rice is very firm, and separately you can see the rice. It just looks very nice, and how the spices are really grasped by the rice, and now you can see the chicken pieces are how it's just really tender and boiled very nicely. You can see that no rice is broken here, and this is the authentic taste of chicken biryani in Chennai style. You can see this is called as Dum Biriyani. You can just prepare it and have it in your home. You can have the biryanis with raita, which is prepared with cucumber, onion, and curd. You can mix it and have it with the biryanis for the good combination. And you can have the boiled egg masala, which the preparation I will let you know in later case. So thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.